baby hairs are laid, that lace is melted, it looks like a natural hairline. We love a good melted lace, and I'm just going to be showing you guys how smooth and flowy. I 10 out of 10 recommend this wig.
What's up YouTube, it's your girl Navy, and I'm back with another video. And today I have a wig install for y'all again. Today I am pleased to be doing a wig install with Nadula Hair, and here is the box that it comes in. So this is the wig that they sent me. It is a 13x4 transparent lace Brazilian hair, and they said the hair is disinfected. Ooh, and it's already styled, it's already curled. So the band is inside of the wig. As you can see, there's a comb right here, a comb right here, and then there's also a comb right here. So we got some pre-plucked knots, as y'all can see.
I'm going to be doing this wig install for you guys. I'm going to be doing a tutorial showing you guys how I install my wigs. As you guys can see, I've already started by applying my wig cap, and now I'm going in with my Cream Kiss foundation. The wig I will be using today is from Nadula Hair. It is a golden brown with flaxen highlights, loose body wave 13x4 lace front wig. This wig was so beautiful when I pulled it straight out the pack, and I'd love to show y'all how I'm going to install it today. So now that we've already applied our HD wig cap and the Kiss Cream Foundation in a shade 11, we will be going in with some Ghost Bond. I used the one for oily skin, it's the pink bottle, and we'll just be applying this glue to the edge of my hairline through the wig cap. After this, we will let it dry before we cut the excess wig cap off of my head. Alright, so now that the wig cap has dried to my head, we will be going in with some more Ghost Bond, the pink bottle again, and I'll just be taking this glue and dabbing it along the hairline, along my natural hairline, and then I'll just go in and smooth it out with a stick. You guys could use the end of a rat tail comb or whatever comb or thing that you would like to use. Some people even use their fingers. Just go in and rub this glue in. Just make sure that your wig cap is not sliding back or lifting up. You want to make sure that you apply enough glue. I go in with 2 layers and then I just smooth it out along my natural hairline.
Chopper gon' beat like it's Mike with the
So now that the wig has glued, I'm just going to be pulling the wig forward and just pressing it into this slightly dry tacky glue. After the wig is all pushed in, after the lace is all pushed into this almost dry glue, I will just be taking a slight part of the excess lace off so that I can see. We'll be taking this spritz spray and just making sure that I apply it to where the glue is. So just make sure that you're looking to where the glue was applied through the lace. Make sure that that lace is stuck to your head, y'all. It should almost be melted, but now we're going to take this melting band and just fully melt the lace. Now that I've applied the wig band, I'm just going to be letting it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes off camera. Then I will be taking it off and we'll be cutting that excess lace all the way off to where it's just my natural hairline and basically the wig lining up together. So now that I've cut the wig to basically match my hairline, I will be going in with this hot comb and just making sure that all the flyaways are down, spraying a little bit of holding spray, and just hot combing the wig flat. I want it to be a very flat install. Then you could go in with some lighter cream foundation and just define your part. Make sure that your part is nice and crisp. I just do this by applying some lighter shade of cream foundation. So now that I've defined my part, I will be showing you guys how I do my edges. I love doing baby hairs on my wigs. It makes it look really natural, and baby hairs just look better on me well, that's how I feel. But I'll be going in with some spritz again. We'll be melting the lace to make sure that it does not lift up while I'm doing my edges. And I just want to go ahead and separate the edge hair to the front so that when I take it off, that hair is already pulled to the front and it's not blending in. Then I'll be taking some scissors and cutting my edges to the length that I need them. Then I'll be taking a flat iron and curling them back and just basically doing my edges with just some freeze spray and curling it and styling it the way that I want it to be styled. So just take an edge brush after this step, some Gots to Be spray, and just basically swoop your edges into the direction that you want them to fall in. Alright y'all, so now that I'm done with my edges, I will be showing you guys me styling this wig. I wanted to do a bust down straight middle part. That is what my boyfriend wanted me to wear. So I just went ahead and made this wig extremely bone straight by using a little bit of bio silk, a comb, and my Baby Bliss flat iron. You could use a really good flat iron, whatever flat iron you have, or you could use this wig and wear it curled because it already came kind of pre-curled or loose body wave, and I could have just wore the natural pattern that it came in, but I wanted to make it really bone straight. So watch me as I flat iron this wig to be bone straight. And now we're done, y'all. Look at this final product. I mean, baby hairs are laid. That lace is melted. It looks like a natural hairline. We love a good melted lace. And I'm just going to be showing you guys how smooth and flowy. I 10 out of 10 recommend this wig. Go buy it now. Everything is in the description box below. See y'all next time.
Nadula.